For nearly half a decade, there's one radio I've used more than any other radio on Earth. That is the Xiegu G90. Xiegu. I don't care what you want to call it. In America, most of us call it the Xiegu. We don't speak the King's English, and we don't speak Chinese here. So there you go, the Xiegu G90. And I really have I have loved this radio so much that this is the second one I've owned. I have two. Because the first one, although it still works, man, it's been through a lot. It's crossed the ocean in a backpack in a under the seat in front of me on airplane. I've had it out on many beaches, and if you take a look at my old one, it's the face of it has been sandblasted. But great radio, and it held up through all of them. So I have loved this radio so much that people have seen me with it. I don't like to call myself an influencer, but I've influenced a lot of people to buy this radio. With that said, I was kind of hinted to, and I've always said to the Xiegu folks that, man, you guys need to do a 100-watt radio, and it needs to be on the platform of the G90. And I was kind of hinted to earlier this past year that was coming. And then this happened. Another amplifier. And most of us already have the XPA 125B, which has a tuner, a Xiegu tuner in it. And why would we want to add just Bluetooth? That's about the advantage you would get. I get it if you have a different brand other than Xiegu, and you want to be able to Bluetooth it to the amp, yeah, but that's not what I think the market's calling for. So listen to me, Xiegu executives, listen to me. Somebody, whoever's in charge of ideas over there, I'm pleading with you. I've said this so many times. I've said it in other videos. Make a 100-watt radio on the platform of this. You will own the market. It's funny. I talked with, I was at my club this weekend, and I was spewing this same thing, and they were like, "You're so right, Walt. It would be the Baofeng of HF radio." And I'm like, oh no, but yeah, maybe it would be. I really think, and I feel strongly now, listen, I've owned just everything Xiegeu's made. I've had the X5105, great QRP radio. I've traveled with it, used it on the beaches. Love that thing. I've had the predecessor to the G90, the X108. Had some fun with that. I've had the 106, great radio. I've had the X6100. From that, sold it, bought an X6200. I've had a lot of your products, Xiegu. Listen to me. I'm a user, and also, I hate to say it, I am somewhat an influencer, but I know what people want, and especially over the upcoming years as the solar cycle starts going towards minimum. 100-watt G100. There it is right there. Build that radio. And I'm not a big fan of AI, but I sat down the other evening and went through iterations with ChatGPT for about a half hour to come up with just that look. I think that would be the market. Everyone would want one, especially if it was affordable. One of the cool things over the last 5 years is the Xiegu G90 has been $399 on like Black Friday and Amazon days or whatever. So roughly a $400 radio. If you could make that radio right there, 100 watts with the tuner that's in this thing, make it maybe just a little bit bigger, not much though, keep the size as small as you can for portable ops, and you made that thing an $800 radio, or we'll call it a $799 radio, I'm telling you, the market's screaming for that radio. It really is. You've created a loyal, we all talk about the big three or whatever. You would launch yourself into being the big four. You need to do it, Xiegu. So I'm pleading with you. It's just the radio I want to own. I want to own that thing. If you've seen my videos lately, I've been out with Yaesus because I'm falling in love with Yaesus. I'm falling in love with having 100 watts on the beach or out portable wherever I'm at. I'm falling in love with that 100 watts, and I don't want to carry a radio and an amp, and I think you guys are more than capable of building one of the most awesome 100 watt radios with the best tuner on the market in it. So there you go. You're welcome. There you go. You don't have to pay me anything. Just build me the damn radio and we'll get it done. What do you guys think? I want to know in the comments, do you think this radio would sell? Would you buy this radio for $799 or $800 if you knew it was the G90, maybe just a little bit bigger with a little bit better screen, but you still had that tuner in it? Would you buy this radio? Let me know in the comments below, because I don't normally do this, but I have just been preaching this for so long that they need to make a 100-watt radio. I said, you know what? I'm not a big fan of AI, but I want to see what it will look like. I think that radio right there is the answer, guys. I think the market would just scream for that radio, and it would do well. Anyway, let me know in the comments, guys. Until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.